Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Sandbox. The price line of Sandbox is rejected by $8.5 price level resistance, and at the same time it is also rejected by this resistance of an up channel on the weekly time frame. And in today's video we will analyze, are we going to have another test of the support of this channel, or we can expect a reversal move from here. So let's start the analysis, but before that, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this up channel that has been formed on the weekly time frame. And as per Binance Exchange, this formation was started here on 10th of August 2020, and the price line first rejected on this candlestick, moved down at this support and moved up again, and it was again rejected in March 2021, moved down at the support again in June 2021, and once again it has rallied up to this resistance and rejected on 22nd of November 2021. And by the way, this is a weekly time frame chart. Therefore, this is the candlestick that was started on 22nd of November, and this candlestick is representing 7 days. And now you can see that after this rejection, the price line is not moving down. It is moving sideways here. We also have, by the way, here a very, very strong support of weekly EMA 21, and you can see that it is also working as a nice support. It has been breaking as a nice support during this rally, but here for a while the price line broke it down and used the support of the channel, moved up again, and used the EMA 21 as a support and moved up again. And it is also possible that it will test this EMA 21 on this weekly time frame. And if we zoom this chart out and dig this move more deeper to see what's happening on the smaller time frame, first of all, let me play some trend lines, because on the bigger time frame you can identify the move and the patterns very well. Then you can see here we have a support, and here we also have a resistance. Now if we switch to the daily time frame, then here we can see that the price line has formed a descending triangle, and now this support of the descending triangle is preventing the price line to move more down to this support of the channel. And you can see that this EMA 21 is aggressively moving up, and soon it can provide the support to the price line for the next move up. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon price line can also break out this resistance of the triangle, and you can see that this triangle is getting squeezed and more squeezed. And for example, if the price line breaks out this triangle, then our next target can be, it depends from where it will break out. For example, if it will break out from here, the next target can be approximately at $10. In that situation, we can also break out this highest resistance of $8.5 as well. But if we want the resistance of the channel, then that is at approximately $13. Now, for example, if the price line will be able to break out this resistance, this price level resistance, then it can use this level as a support. And before the next move, it can accumulate above this support, and it can make another attempt to break out the resistance of this big channel. So the next few days will be really, very important. Unless this support of the triangle is not broken down, we can have a very, very positive hope that the price line can set a new all-time high, or it can at least break this resistance, that is $8.5. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.